this class is just to let you know what are you going to learn in A-level physics, and then to let you know what is coming out in physics. Okay, so here you see there are actually this Angry Birds stuff. Okay, so what's this Angry Birds stuff and what does it do? Like, okay, so just to let you know about what you are going through in today's this short 1 hour lesson. So actually, if you say 1 hour for physics A-level, you can't really learn much. Okay, so but still, I'm gonna let you know what are the important ones. Okay, so knowing a lot of stuff not really important, but knowing practical stuff or useful stuff is more important. Okay, so here number one, we will be going through projectile motion later. So it's actually more fun that putting them in this way instead of just telling you a lot of equations to memorize, a lot of formulas to memorize, a lot of concepts to learn. So try not to learn the physics that way. Try to make things more relatable in your life so that you know what can relate to which one, so you can know how do you apply. So number one, we'll be going through projectile motion later. In physics, if you say math physics can they relate or not? I would say yes, definitely they can relate. Okay, so things are always like, if you like math a lot, if you think, I'm a math person, I like to do math a lot, I want to take actual science. Okay, if not mistaken, to take actual science you need further math. Okay, so to take further math in some way I remember you need to take physics also. So if you are a math person, if you like math, if you like calculation, I think further math is good, because further math is like IG level kind of math. Then math is just normal math that you take in your IG. Then why you need physics and further math together? Because there are more calculation and application when it comes to physics. Okay, they are like matching with each other. So you need to learn this and then you know how to apply. So after you know how to apply, then you need to learn more equation, more formula to know how to be more advanced, okay, in real life. Okay, if IG is level 1 for you now, then AS is like level 5 or 4 like that. Okay, so if AS later, after AS you're gonna take A2. So A2 is about level 8, 9 like that lah. Okay, it's like a step like that. Okay, but you learn and then you grow the way of you thinking of questions differently. Like when you do IG, very direct. So the way of you think IG questions is just direct. But by the time you learn how to do A level, you would switch your thinking. So as you grow, now you are a teenager, right? So later you'll be in college. So you're a college student, then you go to uni. So along the way of you learning, right, you will be keep changing your mind to think of questions, not that direct lah, I will say. A level physics, right, we have 5 papers law. Okay. So in these 5 papers, I believe this apply to all the sciences. I'm not sure about business and all, but then it'll be like this, AS and A2. So we have paper 1, 2, 3 in your AS. Okay, so in paper 1, this is MCQ, then this is subjective. So paper 3 is experiment, practical. Actually, you want to do it need to do it in lab. Then in A2, you have paper 4 and paper 5. So what you can do, for what I know, is that you can do AS, get A, very smart, right? Get A already. And the highest score is A in AS. Then after that, you say, I don't want to do physics already. Physics is not that helpful in my future. I already decided physics is not part of the things I want to do in future. And I drop A2. I don't want to continue A2 already. So you continue the rest of the subject in your A2, but then without physics A2. Okay, done AS, good results, fine, you are just fine. Okay, proceed with A2 without physics anymore, but other subjects still can do. A level is tough or not? It really depends on how you learn. Okay, so is IG tough or not? Like if you are year 7 to year 9, you say, IG very difficult, I cry lah. Okay, now you done already, right? So is IG actually that difficult or not? So you will find the difference. So if you learn the way, the faster, not the faster lah, but smarter way, then not that difficult. Okay, if it's like you really difficult, you really die want to memorize stuff, that kind, I'll say difficult. You need to understand. Yeah, I'll go through a question very quickly.